Good morning, third grade. We are going to start our group counting today. We are counting by twos and watch my hands to figure out if we're going up or down. Up, stop, down. Ready, count. 0. Awesome work, boys and girls. Now let's count by threes. Watch my fingers for up, down, stop. Okay? All right. So let's start at 0 and we're going to count 0. Awesome work, boys and girls. Now we are going to start on some board work. So go ahead and take out your whiteboards for me. Now, boys and girls, say out loud the total as repeated addition. So go ahead and say the repeated addition with the total. 1, 2, 3. Say it. Yes, you're right. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, or 15 equals 5 plus 5 plus 5. Awesome. Now, I need for you to write the division number sentence. Go for it. Boys and girls, what did you write? Show me when I say waterfall. 1, 2, 3, waterfall. Did you show 15 divided by 3 equals 5? Awesome work, boys and girls. Enjoy your math lesson for today. Have a good day.